Friends, welcome to Prakash Tarot Card Reader. Thanks for taking your time out and watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Now, lawn tennis. Now, when it comes to lawn tennis, these two cards indicate that yes, Indian tennis players will do relatively well in Tokyo Olympics, and in doubles events, India has a chance to win medal in doubles. In not in singles, most probably in mixed doubles, India, if uh, there is any Indian pair, mixed doubles pair participating, then they will have a chance. Mixed doubles. That's what I can say looking at the cards. But yes, Sania Mirza will play well. Friends, expectations from shooting team is very high. In other world events, the shooting team has done very well, and shooting team has always given India medals in Olympics, in Commonwealth Games, in Asian Games. So, what's in store for them? Looks like shooting team will compete well, will do very well. But when it comes to gold medal, absolutely no. No gold medal. Then here looking at these four cards, outcome cards, medal wise performance of Indian team in shooting will not be that good. India can win only, or I should say India will win only one medal in shooting. Only one medal. That can be a silver or bronze, but yes, only one medal this time in shooting. That's what I can see. Thank you. Now comes wrestling. When it comes to wrestling, there are so many wrestlers in men's and women's category participating, representing India. But I can see at least two medals from wrestling. Indian wrestlers will do well, they will accept the challenges, and they will come out as winners. At least two. That's what I can say looking at these cards. Friends, this reading is for boxing team. Men and women. There are 9 boxers representing India in boxing. Energies looks good for boxing event. When it comes to men's boxing, there are big names: Vikas Krishnan, Amit Pagal. But somewhere, looking at this card, they will lose. They will not get medals. Women's boxing might get just one medal. Maybe one. Maybe. That's what I'm saying. Maybe. Looking at these cards, I just get the feeling that this time in boxing, India may not win a medal. Or even if they won, then only one. Not more than one, I can see. But yes, their performance will not be up to their reputation, up to the mark. At least they should win 3 medals. But here I don't see Indian boxing team doing well. Friends, this reading is for Indian athletics team, men's and women's. At present, energies are good, but when the competition will start between 23rd July and 8th of August, energies for women's team will be good, but for men's team, no. They might lose on some medals. They might come very close to get to win medals, but just short of winning medals. That's what I can feel looking at these cards. But overall performance from men's and women's athletics team will be good, and we can expect at least one medal from Indian athletics team. At least one. There may be more than one, but yes, I just get the feeling that yes, one medal this time in athletics for India in Tokyo Olympics. That's what I get the feeling looking at these cards. These are the cards for rowing pair. Arjun Lal Jatt and Arvind Singh will be representing India in men's lightweight double scull event in rowing in Tokyo Olympics. Looking at these two cards and this card, India will not win medal in rowing. Friends, this reading is for Indian judo player Sushila Devi. She will be representing India in Tokyo Olympics. Now, looking at these cards, it is really difficult to predict whether she will win a medal or not, because cards are really good, not as good as giving her gold or silver medal. Also, in this reading, only one major arcana card. So, this is predominantly a minor arcana card reading, which indicates that yes, somewhere luck is with her, but still it will depend on her on screen, on field karma also, how she performs on the given day, given time, her own karma. So I will give 60% chances to Sushila Devi for winning a medal for India. 60% and 40% no. That's what means. Somewhere luck will support her, but again her karma will decide. That's what I can see. It's not that totally luck is with her, like we have seen with other sports. So here, just keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully, if she won, that will be really great for India. Another medal. Now let's check for rowing. Friends, in gymnastic, India will be represented by Pranati Nayak in women's artistic event. So, what's in store for her? Certainly, she is very much excited for being at Olympics. Overall, these two cards indicates that it will be a kind of a good learning experience for her. But when it comes to medals, no. Looking at these three cards, I don't see her as medal contender, but yes, certainly she will impress people. Hello friends, in the first part of India at Olympics reading, we saw that India has chance to win the medals in badminton, in archery, and maybe in golf also. So now this is the second part. I'll start with hockey. In hockey, men and women. These are the cards for men's hockey team and these are the cards for women's hockey team. Now, in women's hockey, Indian team's performance will be good, but somewhere they may not be able to get the medal. Might remain fifth or sixth, might just lose on medal. It's not that their performance will be bad, but uh, there are times when even if you do very well, still you don't achieve your targets. So that's what will happen with them. As far as men's hockey is concerned, look at this card, Emperor card and Celebration card. So certainly men's hockey team, Indians men's hockey team will bring a medal for India in this Tokyo Olympics. That is for sure. These two cards clearly suggest. Now let's check for other sports.